Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shilla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
Members of the All India TRINAMOOL Congress Meghalaya chapter had organized a candlelight demonstration at KHYNDAI, Shillong on the 7th of December 2021 to express solidarity with the bereaved families who had lost their loved ones on Sunday evening at the shoot at site by the Assam Rifles personnel in Mon district of NAGALAND. Member of the AITC Dr. Mukul Sangma, while expressing his sadness at the recent unfortunate incident in Nagaland, offered his condolences to the affected families and to the people of Nagaland at the loss of innocent lives.
We are here to demonstrate our solidarity with the affected families, in particular the affected families who have been grieving in the incidents in Mon district of Nagaland. We all are aware of the situation, the background. It will be pertinent for us to stand by the people of Mon district and particularly the affected families and urge upon all the authorities concerned, which includes the state government of Nagaland and government of India, to ensure justice. In this great nation, every individual, or in other words, every citizen of this great nation must have the sense of belongingness, and we collectively build this great nation. This is the essence of our democracy, and therefore there should not be any space or room left for any citizen of this great nation to feel that they are deprived of the necessary justice when called for. Therefore, it will be expected from the authorities concerned, under the government of India and the state government concerned, that all the measures needed to be taken to ensure justice is done in the right perspective.
On the Armed Forces Special Power Act, Dr. Mukul Sangma stated that the draconian law can be avoided if states like Meghalaya can deal with all terrorism and insurgency problems without having to resort to adoption of the AFSP Act towards protection of citizens.
Where do you need Armed Forces Special Power Act? If the state government is capable of dealing with the problem of militancy, insurgency and terrorism by itself, without having to take recourse to this draconian law, I don't find any reason for any state to actually have this particular law to be operational in any part of the state or any part of the country. The state of Meghalaya has demonstrated in dealing with terrorism, insurgency in a manner that should be probably taken up for a case study by government of India. In fact, on a number of occasions, while we had the privilege of having meeting with government of India and other states, particularly when we have the internal security meeting convened by the government of India, we have always shared our concern, and also we have shared our experiences and also strategies in respect of dealing with problem of law and order, problem of insurgency, dealing with terrorism and other associated collateral damage that is exerted because of this lawlessness and terrorism and insurgency. I think the people of Northeast understands how complex it is to deal with the problem of terrorism and insurgency. But Meghalaya has demonstrated its capability without having to resort to adopting this draconian law.